Welcome back. We discuss explainability in this video. So explainability means the capacity of an AI system to generate a comprehensible account of the reasoning, factors, weightings, and the process by which it arrived at a particular output. In one of the previous videos, when we were discussing black box and AI definition, we had said that deep learning techniques are like a black box. There goes an input, comes an output, and it is very difficult to answer why this particular output was generated on this particular input. So it is difficult to reason, it is difficult to find out factors, weights, and processes behind this whole process, by which it arrived at a particular output, recommendation, or decision in terms that can be understood by a judicial officer, right? Because we are holding this designated officer responsible for in terms that can be understood by the judicial officer. Now we know that judicial officer is a possibility for designated officer, one of the candidates for designated officer, and has to supervise, verify, and take responsibility of almost how AI works, which he or she almost does not understand how it works. So be understood by judicial officer, court staff, or litigant to whom such account is directed. And an AI system shall be considered explainable if such account may be provided upon request without requiring specialist knowledge on part of the recipient, right? So if it can be reasoned, if it can be explained, then it is called explainable. Now, deep learning systems are usually black box. The bigger the system, the more power and bigger the black box. So for example, all these large language models, right, they are nothing but black boxes. So why ChatGPT answers what it answers, right? That's very difficult to comprehend even for those who have developed the system. So if we require explainability as a mandatory requirement, then we have problems in the language used in this particular set of regulations. So explainability is given an input, if I generate an output, I should be able to explain what happened, why happened, and if some mistake has happened, then why did that mistake happen? Okay, but there is no such explanations available till date. So there is something called right to explainability in AI Act as well, the EU AI Act, right? And it's a very hotly debated topic that AI is not explainable, at least not today. So then what does it mean to talk about right to explainability? So I think we'll stop with this definition and we'll talk about more in the next videos.